नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
I am Yashodhan of class 10 J.K.G school Nandagram Ghaziabad. Well, the theme of my project is Atmanirbhar Bharat and the category in which my project comes is water problem. Living in the areas like ours, Nandagram Ghaziabad, the major problem facing is water lodging in the rainy season. When it rains heavily, the water flows out of the gutters and accumulate on the road with sludge. To overcome this problem, we have discovered a solution. There are signal lights on the road which there are signal lights on the road. If we attach the water flushes with these signal lights, there would no change in them, and the water flushes should be connected to the high pressure water pipeline which goes into a water tank. The water accumulated on the road now flushes and goes to water tank, and there should be the filters which clean the water. The water in the water tank filtered by the water filters can be now used for various purposes by the people, like washing cars, washing roads, irrigation in the nearby areas and other uses. This is a simple solution and it can be used. This is a simple solution and can be used at the high level. This is the solution. Thank you.